Looking for the best mini trampolines? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 mini trampolines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. SereneLife 36 inches Portable Fitness Trampoline. Made with kids and petite adults in mind, this smaller trampoline can hold up to 150 pounds and folds down to a compact size that is easy to transport. Includes a detachable handlebar with padded cover for extra support if needed. Smaller size and portable design make this great for traveling or taking to a park or playground. Padded handlebar cover may start to fade or tear after heavy use over an extended period of time. At number 2. Stamina 36-inch Folding Trampoline. Lightweight, compact trampoline with 36-inch surface. 6 legs are detachable and feature rubber ends to protect the floor and stay in place. Supports up to 250 pounds. Purchase includes 3 starter workout videos. Folds up to move and store. A durable and portable mini trampoline ideal for both casual fun and intense exercises. Lacks versatility in terms of exercises. At number 1. MXL Maximus Fit Bounce Pro 2 Bungee Rebounder. Has several safety mechanisms, including 60 reinforced connectors and locking bolts. Users are big fans of the companion workout DVDs and online videos. Weight limit is 330 pounds. Best option if you're looking for a well-rounded rebounder exercise program. It's pricey, and casual users won't get their money's worth with it. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.